Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art. It's my blue color theme nail art, plus it's a collab with my few other YouTuber friends. This collab is about nail art techniques. As example, I have done mix and match stamping nail art where my other friends did nail art in different technique like reverse stamping nail art, freehand nail art, water marble nail art and many more. There are total 14 nail arts and each of them are created by 14 nail artists. So it's my humble request to check out all of their videos and make sure to support them just like you guys support me. Now let's start with my tutorial. So as a base polish, I have applied a sky blue nail polish on my index, middle and ring finger nail, and on top of it I am applying a glitter topper. Now I'm going to stamp roses using Beauty Big Bang XL003 stamping plate on my middle and ring finger nail. After cleaning excess, I am applying a dry first top coat to seal the design and smooth the surface. Now move on to the next step for my ring finger design. I have added scotch tape vertically to cover the half part of my design, and I am gently pressing it with a toothpick to make sure there is no gap. And here I am applying a dark blue polish on the half side of my nail, and it's that same blue polish which I used for stamp roses. Now gently remove the scotch tape before nail polish dries out completely. Here I am applying a Holo Flakies at the center part of my mani, or you can say at the edge of the blue polish. Last but not least, here I am finishing my mani with a glossy top coat. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my work, then please share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.